This is the Smart Belt, the most crowdfunded fashion accessory ever 4 years in a row. Why would 60,000 people back a belt? Simple, it's revolutionary. We replaced the 5-hole system with 32 microsteps for exact adjustments. Never loose, never tight, always perfect. Going from 5 holes 25 millimeters apart to steps of 5 millimeters. That's 5 times more adjustability. You'll be truly amazed what a difference this system makes in your daily level of comfort. You can adjust it anytime by exactly as much as you need with only a discreet gesture. Your waistline changes during the day by a bit, so does our belt. You'll never want to wear a regular belt ever again. You'll be able to cut it to size yourself, so no chance of getting your size wrong. Our innovative track system is also twice as long as the 5-hole classic system, so no worries around Christmas or when you decide to slim down, the Smart Belt will be there for you. Let's not forget about looks and feel. It's made with Italian leather, top grain, and vegetably tanned. Vegetable tanning only exists now in a small valley in Tuscany, and you will get a certificate of authenticity to attest to that. The leather is dyed through in depth, so the color really lasts. It is the most exquisite leather in the world. We're also the only belt company in the world to have a Kevlar core inside our straps. It's not bulletproof, but it makes the belt lighter and softer than any other and almost indestructible. You'll never need another belt. This year, for the Universal Edition of the Smart Belt, on backer request, we have introduced fabric straps on top of our leather strap versions. The polyester fabric versions are wider for a more casual look and come in 5 different colors. With 6 leather options, 5 fabric colors, and 2 buckle styles in 3 different finishes, the Smart Belt will match any outfit and occasion. You can't go wrong with 66 possible combinations. As our past backers know, we're crowdfunding veterans. We've always started shipping on time, and we leave no backer behind. In our last satisfaction survey, 96% of our backers are happy customers. If you happen to be disappointed in any way, you just have to use our money-back guarantee. We'll start shipping in October in order of backer number, so get a Smart Belt now with friendly shipping worldwide while early bird discounts last. If you want more than 1 or 2 belts or a separate strap or buckle, just pick up any pledge on the right of the page and then select as many add-ons as you want. Let's meet some happy Smart Belt owners from previous years.
Show that these are the best belts that you could get out there in the market. Just go for it. Don't think. Get it.
So I got my belt about 6 months ago and I love this thing. One of the things I love is that there's been no wear and tear on my belt, which has always been my biggest problem. And the other is just how easy it is to adjust it. I find myself, when I'm sitting down, I'll loosen it up a little bit. When I stand up, I can give it a good snug adjustment. It's super easy. I love this thing.
Verified backer of the Smart Belt 3. I've been wearing this belt every single day for 10 months. Not a mark. "15 seconds doesn't do this belt justice, to tell you how amazing it is. I would go through belts every 3 to 6 months, because you know what happens when the buckle tears the leather, and they're not cheap. Yet for this, not a mark. For 10 months.
Not easy to find a belt that matches your illustrious blue beard, but Smart Belt delivers. It's easy to put on, and I like it a lot, and I want more, so please make more in different colors, even though blue is amazing. Thank you.
What I like about Smart Belt 2, innovative buckles, fine Italian leathers, multiple colors, and just pure performance and convenience.
Hello everybody, the Smart Belt 2.0 is the best belt I ever had because it fits.
It's Corey, and I was a backer in the Kickstarter Smart Belt 3.0. It's been working out great for me. It's a very good quality belt, and it can accommodate me for when I swell up after Halloween and Christmas time. And now that I've lost a little bit of weight, I can cinch it real easily, and it works fantastic.
Smart Belt 2.0, great leather and easy to use.
Hi,
I'm wearing the Smart Belt, and this is actually one of the absolute smartest belts you can ever have. It's easy to take off, and it's also so easy to put on. I love this click. As you know, I mean, you can have different sizes during the day or during the night. I've used it a lot. It holds on perfectly. Perfect fit every time. I just love it.
This is my Smart Belt 2.0, which I got almost half a year ago, and since then I wore him almost every day. I'm still happy with the quality and the functionality, and a bit sad that I haven't bought one more.
Hi guys, my name is Ken, back from Hong Kong. I backed the Smart Belt 1.0 back in 2017, and I thought, one belt would be enough, so I skipped the 2.0, and that was my biggest regret. And I compensate that by backing 2 more for the Smart Belt 3.0 in 2019.
Hi, my name is Graham Bailey from Dublin in Ireland. Just wanted to say I love my Smart Belt. It's a really excellent belt. The only one I'll buy from here on in actually. They're very, very attractive, really usable, very hard wearing, and I love the fact that you can adjust them as you go throughout your day. So I'm going to highly recommend these belts. I think they're absolutely wonderful. As I say, the only belt I'll be buying from here on out. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Christopher from Sweden. This is a Smart Belt. 2018 I bought my first Smart Belt. 2019 I bought my second. I will surely get the next one.
Smart Belt 3.0 is the best belt I've ever owned. I love the colour, the texture, the brush chrome on the buckle. It always fits because of the micro adjustment system, and the quick release is easy to operate.
I love my Smart Belts. I've got 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. They don't scuff when I put my phone on or my work badge. They fit well, easy on, easy off. I can't wait to get some more.